Import. Off to Katapang. Yuriel back on top of the key. Inside. Here is Gabani. Ball stolen there by Aris Rubin. Anticipation there. Here is Joshua Lino. Now playing for MPBL and Pasay Pointers. Back to the import. Rames Cariola. Off to Joshua Lino. Shot clock winding down. 15 on the clock. Here's Hadi Porto on his way. Using the screen. Look to the pass. Leslie. 8 seconds to make a shot. Saitanan fading away. A veteran player of MPBL. Here is Kyle Aliana. Goes all the way with the easy 2 points. First transition offense. Here is Joshua. Going on the right para kay Hadi. Porto Melcos score to Rames Cariola. He fakes. Driving in. Back to Saitanan. Tino on his right. From the baseline again. Shot miss. Jimenez gets a rebound. Here's Kit. On the move. Off to the corner. Lights it up from downtown. 3! First made 3-point shot off the ball game. Yuniel Katapang punches that one on the right. Pino trying to make an answer. Shot is missed. Batting for the rebound. And he stepped out of bounds. Shot clock remains at 14. 5-0 start in the early going para sa Team Yanku. Here is Rames Carrion, lights it up. Still missing on his first shot. And there will be a stay. 2 minutes have gone by, still 5-0 start. Here in our first game, we have 4 exciting ball games for this G-League Serie. Here is Hadi, off the pass para kay Aris. Rodriguez trying to make his way in, over Kapaini. Handing off para kay Hadi. Porto with a shot. Shot still miss. Aris go score this time. Pino for 3. Still nothing to go. Kapaini gets a rebound. Joseph securing that board. Here is Kyle Aliana from the baseline. Resets para kay Kid. Jimenez. Off to Kyle Aliana. Lights it off. He was it all. Kyle Aliana. 3! 5 points to start of this ball game. This time, here's Rames Cariola trying to make an answer. Shot still missed. Nothing to go. Kid now on the move. Crosses over. Splitting 2 defenders. Siras on the break. Kicks out pass. Off the Kid. Squares up, Katapang. Another drive from Pico. There is a foul. The foul will be called on Joseph Gabani.